Meaning of full up.
Full up.
Full up.
Full up.
Full up. The phrase full up means that something is completely full or unable to accept any more. This expression is often used to describe a container, a parking lot, or a restaurant. For instance, if a parking lot is full up, it means that all the available parking spaces are occupied and no additional cars are allowed to park there. Similarly, if a restaurant is full up, it means that all the tables are taken and no more customers can be accommodated. In short, full up indicates a state of maximum capacity or saturation for a given space or object.